Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be making one of the most famous dishes in Italy. You probably know it, everyone probably knows it, and you'll definitely love it. Sigla. Welcome back, my name is Carbonara and this is Cooking and Loving. So today I'm making again one of the most famous dishes in Italy, spaghetti al carbonara. Now before I get into cooking, I need to say this dish does not have cream and it doesn't have mushrooms or cream. You bring that to Italy, they're gonna throw it out the window, trust me. So the ingredients for the spaghetti alla carbonara are a couple pinches of salt, a couple pinches of black pepper, extra virgin olive oil enough to saute the pancetta. We have 70 grams of pancetta. Now the original carbonara, I don't want to make anyone mad, the original carbonara is with guanciale ham, which is the cheek of the pork. It's a strong taste and I don't like it, and so I'm using pancetta, which you can use as well. 3 egg yolks. The spaghetti for 2 people, 70 to 80 grams for each person. 90 grams of pecorino romano. And obviously the water for the pasta and the pan for the pancetta. Now normally I start from the ingredients and cook the pasta after, but I'm going to cook the pasta right now. Because it'll be much faster. So I'm going to turn on the fire. Give me a second. So the water's on. Now let's move on to the base of the carbonara, the sauce. We have 3 egg yolks. It's pretty funny to be honest when you put egg yolks in. Okay, so let's beat them. Now a couple pinches of salt. 1, 2, and no more. Pepper. 1. The pecorino cheese. Leave some so for the ending of the pasta you need to put some cheese. Now if you don't have pecorino romano, you can use parmigiano or grana padano for your choice. Now to make it more creamier, I'm going to add some hot water. Now we add more pecorino. Now we're going to saute the pancetta and my extra virgin olive oil. Before you cook the pancetta, throw in the spaghetti, obviously salt the water. Spaghetti. I'm going to want the pancetta and the spaghetti cook at the same time and finish at the same time so they remain hot. Pancetta. Yes, hear the sizzling. I like that. So drain the water and now I can add my spaghetti in. Don't drain all the water, add just leave a little, just in case you want to make like a little cream. Now for the eggs. Now if you want to make it a little bit more creamy, add a little bit of water. Oh, I love pancetta. My plate. Remember the pecorino from before? Bam! And here is my spaghetti alla carbonara. This is going to be really good. A little bit of pasta, a little bit of pancetta, all with good flavours. Okay, I'm going to try it. Oh! Oh! Alright, this is no words. Try this recipe. Oh my god. The pancetta really like. I love pancetta, and the pepper, a little bit of pepper gives it a nice kick. To die for, you know, to die for. But unfortunately, I have to end the video right here. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and that notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Alla prossima, ciao!